FOH has a unique approach to thinking about the future. On the one hand, we're really trying to describe what healthcare should look like in 10 or 20 years. But on the other hand, if that's all we do, we're not really taking the hard steps now that are needed to get there. So what we're trying to put together is that 10 or 20-year vision for transformation, but also the 1 year, 6 month, or right now, practical steps that we can take that will make meaningful progress in getting there. That's the way to get to a brighter future of health.
Even if we are different countries, different health systems, different problems, there are generic problems that are the same all over. And I very much saw the discussion as relevant to the problems that we see in Denmark and in the Northern Europe.
What I particularly enjoy about the FOH meetings, and it's not just a singular meeting, there are thought discussions throughout the year in that are the various viewpoints. And sometimes the most valuable things are not what has gone well, but what has gone poorly, and we learn from those difficult mistakes.
There are no other organizations like this, though, who really bring together leaders from all over the world. And we really truly talk about how do we deliver care in a new way so that we can provide the best care for everyone. And it's really how do we bring innovation into our world in a way that we haven't seen or done before. With the premise that if we don't do it, we're going to fail. If we keep doing what we're doing today, we're going to fail.
But I don't think I've ever been part of a select group of physician leaders to come together who really understand healthcare as it is delivered in the front, see the real problems and find creative and innovative solutions that is going to impact not just now, but our future.
The people here have real life experience of running very large healthcare organizations and many years of doing that. So there's a real world experience, which is really important. Also, we all have influence and we are all able to make decisions when we go back to our countries. So I think there's something exciting about having the discussion at that level, but also being able to influence and impact change. That's really important.
And every time I come to FOH, I learn something. And I think the networking is real. What's so great now that we can actually get together in person, the networking is unbelievable.
When I looked at the individuals that participate, I felt that it was a great learning opportunity for me inside a network of very capable healthcare leaders from multiple geographies. And so I was a little bit selfish and decided to come and learn. And it's been enlightening in that I've been able to be exposed to different thinking, different ideas and philosophies from all over the healthcare world.
It's very rare to get leaders from all over the world in a relatively small room talking about things openly, especially with partners in the room as well that are able to listen. So I think protecting that resource is vital. You've got to be able to have robust, honest conversations where you can share what went right as well as you can share what went wrong to be able to understand what we need to start building for the future.
There are lots of meetings for CEOs. There's lots of meetings for doctors or nurses, but when we can all come together and you have our best thinking and bring those ideas forward, then I think we have a real possibility to make the impactful change that we all hope for.